Sino yung unang bibisitahin yung country?
Yes ba, sobrang ang dami naming plano to really maximize our platform now, and we want to visit all the countries, like all the countries in top 5. In Zimbabwe, actually we're planning na, si Yolanda, she's planning to invite all of us, and I hope that it could happen. And also in Putri, Indonesia, next year, that's on March, so we're planning as well to go there. And here in the Philippines, Catalina will go here for Binibining Pilipinas, and that's going to be in July 5 next year. So I hope that everyone could come and watch and support Binibini pa rin. And ang plano namin ni Catalina is mas early siyang pupunta dito so she can experience the culture, our culture here, and the food, the people, so she can have a lot of stories to tell when for the coronation night of Binibining Pilipinas. And in Bolivia as well, we're planning to go there. But since the schedule, mas mauuna ang Putri, Indonesia, so I think that's where all of us will meet first, and then in the Philippines.